we're just gonna use the regular one, or like a little small one. They all have different sizes. These are just fuses. If your machine blows a fuse, it's in the back of here. An electrician, you can take to an electrician's store. They'll take it apart and then put the new little fuse in. Because sometimes fuse blow out, just like a circuit breaker in our houses.
Okay.
And, yeah, but you rarely will ever have to use it.
Okay.
So we're gonna use one of this for like the nose.
That's for the nose.
This is for bigger areas like cheeks,
Okay.
underneath the chin, neckline,
Okay.
décolleté area. And they're going to give you 2 of each for the sample. Actually, it's just a little bit smaller. But the other 3, they're all kind of the same. They just give you 2 of,
Okay.
just in case one breaks, whatever. We'll use this one. We'll use the medium one. And then
Okay.
Thank you.
And that's, you will give also the massage.
Sure. Yeah. And I just put the power plug in.
Yeah.
And right here's a little power button. I'm just going to turn it on. And you'll see your LED screen light up.
Okay.
And this.
Okay.
Or it has other languages. I just forget how to
No, I just
mess with them. So the spray is not the spray, I'm sorry. Microdermabrasion.
Okay.
I know it says liquid dermabrasion because the water's going to come through and it does dermaplaning skin. Or dermabrasion. So turn it on. You can hear it coming out. It's a little suction. This one's for the water that gets sucked through the machine and spit out in the back. So now we're going to put the head on. So any head is fine. So the head, and it doesn't matter which way. This is just a button that turns it on. So put it down and make sure it's just flush around the head. If it's halfway off, you'll feel the air.
Okay.
But that's it. So then to test your machine, just cover the hole. And you're gonna wait for the water. See, it's already working. Because you can see it in the, get a bubble.
Yeah.
Yeah, your machine works. Oh yeah. Oh, works fast. Most machines it takes time. So it's kind of high. So I'm gonna just turn down the water valve or the pressure. And it's like maybe medium to a little notch. Medium.
Yeah.
And then the air pressure, I'm gonna turn down just a little bit too.
That is full.
That's perfect.
Hold on, did you turn on? Is it maximum?
Oh, you want max?
No,
maximum.
no, no.
So maximum is like really.
No, I said, is it maximum right now?
Yeah, it's at maximum. So we want to go to minimum. We want to turn it down just a little bit. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Because you'll really feel like, ooh, and on the skin it leaves red marks. Okay.
And this is?
So if it's on A, or where's the little? Oh yeah, okay. And so you already tested it, see how it comes out. It's wonderful. So you're just gonna let your client know this is how it's gonna feel in the face. Is that too bad? Is that okay? All right. Or you can do a spot test on the side of the face. Is this okay? Not too bad. Oh. So see how quickly red it gets. So I'm just lower it down just a little bit.
Because I think she has a little sensitive skin.
Yes. So for the skin, normally you can start from the sides all the way up. Or work to the wide, like half this up. So if it's down here, it's gonna do that. It hits the skin.
The bottom, it's good. The way you have it.
Oh, I'm just gonna turn it. Let me just turn it right that way.
Okay.
So there we go. Perfect. So now the button is on top, so you won't run into it. Or you can start at the forehead. So we'll start at the forehead. Go to the side. So now the section might be too light. But how's that feel?
Good.
It's good for her. As long as it's good for her, it's good for us. And so you can do as many passes as you want to.
Yeah.
Or you can start at the chin. See, it's not a lot of water, so I'm going to move up my water. And a little bit of air. This is back. I think A should be here. So if this was A, B, this would be C. Let's turn this. I just want to test it. See why it's not coming out. So see, now it's coming. So I have it backwards. So So A should be here, B, C.
Okay.
C is, now it's working. Yeah.
Okay, so A to be here. A,
Right.
B, C. Yeah.
I put it in wrong. That's
Okay.
my fault. Right, so see how you see the water moving now? And it might be too much water.
So you do.
Thank you. That's the only bad thing about the Hydrafacial machine. It doesn't really, it spits too much water half the time. Thank you. So you gotta almost like judge it and get a good feel about your machine. So now it's perfect.
So what is this doing for us?
So it's sucking out all the oil or the nonsense underneath our skin. So it's like, so instead of doing extractions on somebody's face, because not everybody can do extractions because it hurts, but it sucks up the oil or excess oil from the skin.
And with people with sensitive skin, would that cause a breakout?
No, it won't. It just makes it a little red or pinkish. Like if you had a mirror,
No, it's
we would be showing you like, oh, okay, it gets a little red.
I don't mind the water dripping.
You don't have to. Okay.
No, it's not a big deal.
Because normally we would have a timer
Yeah.
around the client. It gets messy. It's not your fault. It's just a machine. No machine is perfect.
So that's the machine do that all the time?
It does. Yeah, every Hydrafacial machine. Unless it's the Hydrafacial MD, which is the very $8,000 machine,
Yeah.
which, yeah, it doesn't drip at all. But that's a lot of money just to spend for a Hydrafacial machine. So we're doing good now because I turned down the air. And it's stopped dripping. But then when you turn down the air, water doesn't come out. So it's like, you gotta kind of fiddle with it just to see where it is. I know it sucks, but that's just the way these machines are made. You see how there's no water coming out? Oh, there we go. It's coming. And all I'm doing is dragging upwards. I don't want to drag anything down towards the skin. Water's trippy again. I'm so sorry.
But that's when first I have to do the face, the wash.
Wash, yes.
Wash and then and instead to do extraction, I do hydrafacial.
Or you can still do extractions. It's just for somebody who has very, very sensitive skin and you don't want to damage your skin with the extraction tools.
Yeah.
Then yeah, Hydrafacial would be the best option. Turn it down way low. Really good. This it's still gonna drip, but if I'm going nice and slow, it seems to do its job perfectly. But then when it drips, just break off the face kind of quickly like this. Yeah, it's problematic with the water. That's the only thing I should have warned you about. Even at the lowest setting, it gives too much water. So that's the only downside. So we're gonna switch positions, and that's all you're doing. You're just going across the face, sucking out the skin. And when we look at the back of the bottle, you're like, oh, okay, that's what's sucked out of the face when it hit. Because when we're doing it, you don't see it. But when we turn to the back and look at it, it comes out the face, you're like, oh, okay, this machine does work. I'm like, it does. Okay, I forgot to put my bottle.
I use one.
Yeah, I'm supposed to put my bottle. I sanitized and put oil back. You did good.